Hello and welcome. My name is Alec, and in this tutorial I will show you how to connect your business email created inside Hostinger to your Gmail account. If you don't know what a business email is and how to create one inside your Hostinger account, I invite you to watch my previous tutorial, which will guide you through the whole process step by step. I will leave the link to that tutorial in the description box. If you have already created your business email inside Hostinger, select the Emails tab from your Hostinger web account. In this tutorial, I will use my email address alec@aleconline.com and click the Manage button to connect it to Gmail. I will right-click where it says Webmail and open it in a new tab. Then I will enter the password of that email account and open my webmail inbox, as I will need it a little later when I receive the confirmation email during the setup process. I will return to my email account page and select Connect Apps and Devices from the left-hand column. When this page opens, you will see the incoming and outgoing server protocols with their corresponding links and port values for manual configuration. In the New tab, open the Gmail account to which you want to connect your business email account. Click the Settings icon in the upper right corner and select All Settings from the drop-down menu. When this page opens, select the Accounts and Import tab and click the Add a Mail Account link. A pop-up window will open where you should enter your business email address. I will enter alec@aleconline.com and click Next. Import emails from my other account POP3 option will be pre-selected. This option allows you to receive and forward a copy of an email sent to your business account to your Gmail account. As this is what we want, click Next to proceed. In this step, you need to enter your username and password. The username will be your business email address, and the password will be the password you created for this email address. In the POP server box, you need to enter the link provided by Hostinger. Return to Hostinger, copy the incoming server link, and remember that the port value is 995. Go back to Gmail, open the pop-up window, and copy the incoming link. Select 995 from the drop-down menu, check these first three options, and click Add Account. Your business email account has been added. You will be asked if you would like to reply and send emails as your business email when responding to received emails inside Gmail. As this is what we want, click Next to proceed. This is where you can change the name people will see when receiving your emails. I will leave it as it is and click on Next Step. In this next step, you need to make some changes so the emails can be sent via Gmail. First, you need to enter the SMTP server configuration link. In order to do that, return to your Hostinger account, copy the outgoing server link, and remember its port value 465. Go back to your Gmail, open the pop-up window, paste the outgoing link, select the port value 465 from the drop-down menu, and now you need to enter the username and password. The username will be your email address, and the password will be the password for that email address. Leave this recommended option checked and click Add Account. If everything went well, you will see this message to confirm your email address. I will go back to the webmail account of my business email I opened at the beginning of this tutorial, open the email I received, and click this blue confirmation link to verify my email address. When this confirmation page opens, click the Confirm button again. If you go back to your Gmail account, you should see your business email address connected to your Gmail account. There is one more thing that needs to be done. First, reload this page, And in order to reply to emails using your business email address, the reply from the same address the message was sent to radio button should be checked. This option will send your replies from your business email instead of your Gmail address. This option will apply to your Gmail account as well. And that would be all for this tutorial. Now you know how to connect your business email created in Hostinger to your Gmail account. Before you go, I would greatly appreciate your giving this video a like or subscribing to my channel. This will make easier for others who want to learn how to connect their business email to their Gmail account to find this video and this channel. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to ask, and I'll do my best to respond as soon as possible. There are no stupid questions, only stupid answers. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the following video.